Alright guys, this is Al from Open Source Channel. Welcome for a new episode on how to. Alright, this particular tutorial has been asked many times and I always put it back. It's about spam for the WordPress websites, and a lot of people don't know how to actually handle it for free. The actual main plugin, for example, AskMet, is also free, but if is a for personal use. If is a, for example, commercial use, there is a fee to pay. But there is also a option to, using some plugins plus the new version of WordPress does gives some help, to filter some of the messages. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how. Now, before we even start, don't forget to like, subscribe, press on the bell icon so you get notified for every new episode I make. And now, without any delay, let's jump to the WordPress dashboard and let's start it. So here we got a WordPress demo site that I got. I also open a incognito tab so I can actually show you how it looks to a client. We are already inside a post, but again, it works with any blog posts and everything. So we go back here and we go, this is a article, and here as you can see, people can leave a comment. Of course, most of the time, people can leave comments that you don't really want them to leave. Again, we talk about spam. So let's do something like this, for example. And I'm going to leave my name, my email, and my website. Save my name, email. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to click post comment. And as you can see, the actual post has been created automatically. And this was done without any moderation or any kind of a filtering. Again, WordPress also allows for you to withhold the actual message, and you can approve it in later time. So let's go back on the admin side. We go to the comments, and as you can see, this is the spam comment that I made. It's right here, and this is the response to the article. What I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this. Now it looks like that I didn't, in this case, logically it's approve. I got to approve it, but I was going to just leave it and make it automatically approved. But let me trash that for a second. And let's go back, for example, to the settings, and I'm going to the actual discussion. Now, this is the first part that you can actually use it for free. On the discussion tab, right, there are two parts where you can do comment moderation and disallowed comment keys. The one we're going to use is this. Of course, you can use the moderation as well if you wanted to. It works the same. Here you can actually add, for example, IP addresses or even words. IP address or words got to be one per line, okay? And as you can see here, you can actually do part of a word as well inside the word. So for WordPress, even if you just write press and someone write WordPress, that will be automatically classed as a spam. So I'm going to actually write the word spam here. All right, and I'm going to save it. Now let's go back, for example, to the website. I'm going to refresh because logically that is gone. Okay, page with the post. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to write exactly the same thing as I did before. This is a spam comment using the word spam. And again, UK and OSC, let's say UK here as well. And I'm going to post the comment. Now, as you can see, this still shows, but let's go back here on the back and let's have a look at the comments. So the actual comment was submitted. I'm going to refresh the page so you can see here. And there is no, as you can see here, there is no comment being left. The actual comment has been automatically trashed. If I go back to trash, this is the actual, as you can see, comment that was automatically trashed even though it was not there. I'm going back to all. I'm going back to the website. Now if I do F5, for example, there's nothing there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cheat a little bit. I'm going to do inspect. I'm going to application. I'm going to delete the commenter, and I'm going to do F5 again. And as you can see here, we got the comment box again. I'm going to write something totally different so you can actually see. So here we go. I'll say not. This is not spam. And I'm going to post the comment again. Now, nothing should appear here. As you can see, nothing appears. Going back to the dashboard, I'm going to refresh again. And as you can see, the trash went to 2, but nothing here on the min O. And as you can see, now they're trashed automatically. This is your first point of stop to starting removing spam from the comments, or to filter the spam from the comments. So we go back to discussions, and as you can see, we change the spam again. Here you got to put IP addresses if you wanted to, or you can actually put the words that you want to. Now I'm going to put words again. There are many words you can actually search. There are pre-made words that you can actually download, copy and paste here, for example. But another free option that I do like as well is a free plugin. Let's go back here. I'm going to press add new, and I'm going to call it anti-spam, I think B. This is the actual free plugin. I already got it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click activate. Once I've been activated, I'm going to settings, anti-spam B. It already comes with some of the option clicked on or enabled. As you can see, it's very simple to use. This is all it is. All right. Now, even though you're using those ones already being checked, okay, that's already enough to stop most of the comments. Of course, you could play around over there, but with the two options together, I'm telling you, this is one of the best options there, free of charge, and it works like a charm. Of course, it's not 100% proof. You're always going to get something. And again, you could do a lot more. You can actually have a reCAPTCHA from Google to attach this as well. Let me know if you want to know that. I'm going to show you how to install reCAPTCHA for the comment. Just leave the actual comment below, all right? By just do this, as I said, guys, you can actually stop spam. Let's go back here. Now, before I do that, let's go back to, and I'm going to remove that, for example. So you don't want to use with the spam. I'm going back to the website. I'm going to do exactly the same thing. I'm going to cheat a little bit. I'm going to inspect. You don't have to do all this, of course. I'm doing this just to remove this and give me the ability to post again a new, all right, a new comment. F5. We got that back again, and now I'm going to write some kind of a spammy message. Then I'm going to click post comment, and as you can see, the actual message has not appeared. Let's go back and let's have a look at the back end. What happened? I'm going to comment, and as you can see, that went straight to spam. Now this is because it's being treated by spam, by the actual spam B, okay, anti-spam B. And this is what happens, guys. It's very simple to use. All you got to do, come here to the top and delete, or just click empty spam if you wanted to. This is another easy way to do it. Now we got the two here that's been deleted automatically. Again, empty trash, and all the messages are gone. Now, as you can see, guys, very simple to install, free, and it can save you a lot of work. So guys, thanks again for joining me for this small tutorial. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. Don't forget to look at my previous video where I'm going, I'm offering a great offer if you need a WordPress website, including with the domain and hosting. So again, guys, thanks again, and I'll see you next time.